Mga kapuso, atong ilailahaw ng usa ka Mindanaoan fashion designer nga gibida ang iyahang creations nga Encantadia theme sa sikat na New York Fashion Week. Atong makauban this morning si Ma'am Rojen Morris. Maayong Ma'am Rojen, ug welcome diri sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. How are you?
Okay lang po, and good morning, Attorney Resi, o good morning, viewers sa Mindanao.
First of all, ma'am, gusto ko lang mo maila-ila pa. Can you give us a little background about yourself o kanang sa ka nagsugod na nagka-interest sa fashion design?
My full name is Rojen Florine Embolon Morris. Taga sa Pangdalaga ko. I moved diri sa US together with my daughter 6 years ago. Nagsugod ko, atong bata pa ko, dito sa among lungsod sa Pangdalaga. Akong papa, ganahan kina siya magkuan, ganahan kina siya mangortina, and then kumulakaw sila silang duha ni mama. Umuadto sila sa palengke, maghinay-hinay din kog katkat sa bintana, and then magsugod na ko gunting. So bale, ginagunting na ko tong kortina namo, and then I start making dresses na. Bali, pag-abot nila, na-shock na lang sila na kuan, ang among bintana, wala na kortina.
Now, let's talk about the New York Fashion Week. Nako, first time ba nimo to join in this event?
This is my third time, but first time launching a new collection.
Nako, this is the part where we want to get more details during that time, Ma'am Rojen. Unsa man ang imuhang na-feel?
Excited ko because it's first time na ang akong bana on stage and ang akong anak na they all walk with me on stage at the last parade. So it's very relieving na sila dito sa ako to support me, and not just me but to support the company that we're standing.
Curious sabi nga naman nimo napili ang Encantadia nga theme.
So, Encantadia. Akong anak, sige glantaw og Encantadia. Up to this day, sige na siya glantaw, mag-YouTube na siya. Encantadia dere. Siya, kabalo siya magbisaya, kabalo siya magtagalog. Pero kung magbisaya ka, di siya makasabot nimo, mag-storya lang siya sa Tagalog. Pero every day, most of the day, naglantaw na siya Encantadia na. So, while deciding New York Fashion Week, kung mudayon ba may o dili, I think it was 1 week na nag-decide ko na ay mudayon na lang ta. So anak ko, so what's your thing? Sabi ng anak ko, Mommy, I know. Sabi usuman, ay mag-Encantadia ta kasi uan kanang favorite na ko. So sabi ko, it's not like that. So dapat magtahi pud ko nga ma-fit sa ato ang theme. So yun ang reason na nagamit ko yung Encantadia, kasi naman napaisip ako back say 8 years ago. I remember my cousins, my brother, my cousins, my auntie, and also my father na nagaratay mi dira sa sala, and then we just watch Encantadia. So I think it's like memories coming back that moment when I showcase it sa New York Fashion Week. Parang na vision ko ba na ay that moment is coming back, that memories is coming back. Even though wala na ang papa ko, that moment still there.
Para sa imuha, unsa ka importante nga atong mapakita ang gawang Pinoy sa international stage?
100% important. Importante siya sa ako because gawang Pinoy is something that we are proud of, not just in the Philippines but dito na internationally. So bali from there's a lot of people watching that in the live streaming as well. So hindi lang ako ang nagre-represent. In our collection, Nijor Empire Collection is a collaborative project sa mga Pilipino din na taga dito. Jan Quijano is one of my makeup artists and one of my designers correspondent. with Carlos and Gary. So, nag-collaborate kami lahat to create such a fantastic show sa event namin.
Lastly, daghan kaayog mga kabataan hilabi na diri sa Mindanao nga naga-aspire pod nga mahimong usa ka successful fashion designer and hopefully ma-showcase ang ilahang mga designs and creations in big fashion events. Unsa man ang imuhang advice or tambag alang kanila, ma'am?
Advice na ko sa inyo, mga taga Mindanao. Don't give up hope. Even though daghan nagaingon, taga Mindanao, maura na ang makuha. No. We are better than that. And you yourself, you know better na mismo ikaw, you will be in a big stage, you'll be something even more that you expect. So keep on dreaming. Vision yourself that you will be on the top. Even though you make mistakes on the way, do not stop. Keep on pursuing what you want in your life. Kasi isa lang ang buhay natin. And don't waste it.
Daghan kaayong salamat, Ma'am Rojen, sa pag-uban ka namo diri sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Amping pirmi.
Thank you so much for having me, and thank you viewers. Thank you so much Mindanao for having me in this show. Thank you so much.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.